Good afternoon to all. My name is MVR Suresh. I am going to talk on a word called focus. What is focus? So, focus is a very small word, but that word has a lot of meaning. And a focus is one which needs to have first a person should have aim, and aim with the dedication, discipline, and also the consistency of working on that focus until reaching the goal. So, focus will always have a goal at the end, and for that, we need to have the process called aim, discipline, dedication, consistency, and the flow in the consistency to reach the goal. So, this is how the process has to happen. And now I would like to say a few examples on focus. So, in Hindi, there is a Doha recited by Kabir Das, the legend on Kabir Das. So, this gentleman, this great philosopher, said one thing, that there's a proverb called Karat Karat Abhyas ke जड़मति होत सुजान rasari yavat jatate sil par parat nisan. So we mean to say that, so in true words, if you say, so the person who is a well, he says that there is a big well, and those days there is well never has to have is to have police, so they used to use the wall of the well to pull out the bucket of water from the well. So once while pulling out this particular water bucket of water from the well, they used to find a lot of the rope, and the wall of the well used to get complete strain. So what is happened because of this strain? So the stone wall of the well is to make a mark while the rope is being pulled, and inside the well and pulling out the bucket of water. So what is to happen is that is to become very very one after some years there is to be a groove is to form there. So once the groove is formed, you can understand why the groove has formed, because of the flow of the rope on against the wall of the well. So what it means is, the person who has a focus on the particular activity, so it makes a mark, it makes a depth. Once it makes a depth, then that means there is a lot of effort being put to to make the in the society that particular mark has come into, the benchmark has been created. So the creation happens, the focus, because of the focus itself. Focus, because why focus? Focus because he had aimed, and because of aim, again focused on the dedication. So since because dedication, so discipline, when discipline came, consistency came with all the pre-checkings also. Once the pre-checkings happened with the consistency, then the goal is reached. You mean to say the goal reaching is also a focus. And once you reach the goal also, we need to see that the goal is a benchmark. So that means we might to create that benchmark, and to create to see that that is improved on in a better way, to reach the number of masses, number of people, to help them to grow better business. So how focus works is the consistency, and while consistent traveling towards the goal, you might come across a lot of mentors, a lot of distractors, and we need to identify, because we are focused on to the goal, which is going to give us what is the help while going to the particular goal, is the focus we need to see. See, in Mahabharata also, there were Kauravas and Pandavas. But Krishna, the Arjuna chose Krishna, and Sekuni chose to be in the Kauravas, and Duryodhana, and there was a story in Mahabharata. I would like to say, when Duryodhana and Arjuna both went to Sri Krishna to ask certain boons from him. So both went. So first Duryodhana thought, if he goes first, he will get the first what you call wishes. So he went early and he sat near the head of the Sri Krishna. Okay, and Arjuna came later and he sat near the foot of the legs of the feet of the Sri Krishna. So when Sri Krishna woke up, he saw Arjuna first, and he wished him that, and Arjuna saluted him, and by seeing that, Duryodhana said, "I came first, so you should see, you should wish, think about me." Then Krishna asked, "What do you want?" He Duryodhana uh, asked him, whom you want, what do you want? So Duryodhana thought, Krishna asked whether you want me or you want Chaturangri Sena. So Duryodhana thought Chaturangi Sena will be bit what Krishna can do. So he took Chaturangi Sena to him. So Arjuna asked, "What do you want?" So Arjuna said, "Except you, I don't require anything." So Krishna was with him. So what happened is justice. The focus for Arjuna was to be with Krishna. So he only focused on Sri Krishna only. He never focused on Chaturangi Sena or because he was in need of a best companion, not only companion, a best person who can focus, give him best focus on his mission to get to defeat Kauravas. So he chose Sri Krishna as his Sarathi, his guru, his mentor. So today we know, we are evident to see that Arjuna won the battle with the help of, with his efforts, with Sri Krishna's blessings. He has won. Why he has won that big battle? Because he chose the righteous person to win the election, the particular battle. So that is how the focus was for Sri Arjuna. And you can understand one more example on Arjuna. See, while there was a training program, well, the students, all Kauravas and Pandavas, when they were students, the Shishyas to Dronacharya. So Dronacharya was training them on arrow aiming and all. So all the brothers, elder brothers, and all started working on arrow aiming. So many had thought process to shoot the. So uh, Guru Dronacharya asked Yudhishthira to focus on the arrow, with the arrow to hit the bird. So he asked what you are able to see. So he said, "I am able to see the branch where that particular bird is sitting on." So then he gives so many brothers like that. So when it comes to Arjuna, he asks, Guru Dronacharya asks what he has seen. So he says, "I have seen the bird's eye, which is which I could see the bird's eye." So asked him to, and Dronacharya asked him to shoot that bird's eye. So once he shot, the Drona, what do you call, Arjuna could shoot that particular bird on her eye. So what is happening is Arjuna focused on that particular eye. So he was highly focused on what mission, what aim he had. So we as human beings should understand that focus is the must. For focus we need to have aim. For aim, with aim we need to have dedication. Dedication needs discipline. Discipline requires consistency. Consistency with check with what you call the goal